Wow, it is time for the freezer clean out challenge.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Nieces and nephews, this early in the morning. But this has got to be one of the simplest recipes I'm going to show you all. You're going to take your meat that you unthawed from the freezer, which is my pork strips, boneless pork ribs, and I'll put them in here. I've already rinsed this out. Or I should say I've already rinsed the meat off. Now, I'm going to take my Kentucky barbecue rub, or you can use your favorite barbecue seasoning or whatever seasoning you want. And this one has almost no sodium in it, so yes, I'm loading it up. Now, I'm going to take a teaspoon of low sodium or no sodium, salt-free chicken bouillon. You decide which one you're going to use now. I'd rather you use a low sodium to no sodium. Onion powder, teaspoon. Black pepper, teaspoon. Barbecue sauce, as much as you want. Okay. We're going to add some water to this. Only halfway the pot because I don't have that much meat in here, okay? I'm going to add my all-time favorite liquid smoke. At least a tablespoon. Because you want that smoky flavor through it. We're going to put on our top. Oh, wait, my fault. I told you it's early in the morning. We'll do this like this. Okay. Because we're going to turn this into a pulled pork like. We put on our top after we stir it up. I'm going to turn it to high. Let it cook. And by dinner time, it will be ready. I have let this cook for 4 hours, and let's take a look. Oh, yeah, it is done. Now, let's move to the next step and put it in our sauce. Look at that. Look at that. Nina's over here shaking her tags as loud as she can. Look at that, y'all. All right, we're going to take some of this liquid and we're going to make our barbecue sauce. But don't throw this liquid out. Freeze it. You can use it for other things. Okay. All right, our wonderful boneless pork ribs are done. So we're going to take some of this liquid out of the crock pot and put it into our hot skillet. We're going to take our meat out, all of it, and put it in here. A little more of that liquid. Ooh, there's another piece of meat. We're going to break it up a little bit into chunks. Stir it around. Now we're going to add some more barbecue sauce on top, as much as you like. And we're going to stir until we reduce our sauce and it thickens. At least by half. You'll see. Okay, nieces and nephews, see how it's reduced by half and the sauce is real thick? It is done. I'm going to toast me up this bread here. for the sandwich, and we're going to build it. Let's start with a little olive oil. Get our bread nice and toasty. I put a little cheese on top of here so it can melt down. And just like that, nieces and nephews, you have a great lunch or dinner. Look at this. Look. Ooh, look at the cheese. You take the first bite. Onions. This is really good. Photo op. Come on, join us in the freezer clean out. You'll love the results. All this week, freezer clean out. Woo! And God, does my freezer need it. All right, I want you to like, comment, subscribe. All right, big love from Uncle Chris.